Cristiano Ronaldo did not in fact cost Coca-Cola $4 billion by moving the Coke bottles and saying Agua during a press conference, despite what we were told. Forbes has broken down what actually happened, and it highlights how easily we can be fooled into believing a story that was just not true. Several events coincidentally occurred at similar times that created a perfect storm for a completely false story. In fact, the kicker to this story is that Coca-Cola shares ended up trading higher after the press conference move. So to go back to what happened on Monday, June 14th at 9:43 AM US Eastern Standard Time, Cristiano Ronaldo moves the Coke bottles and says Agua. The share market opened for trading at 9:30 AM that morning, which is key because share markets are closed from Friday evening until Monday morning, meaning that any news over the weekend can impact any shares on opening on Monday morning. With other share markets around the world opening prior to 9:30 AM US Eastern Standard Time, this also leaves US stocks vulnerable to react to markets in other time zones that open first because Monday morning local time there is earlier than Monday morning in the US. In general, the US stock market was trading low that day on opening. In fact, Ford was trading low, and by 9:40 AM, they had lost $2 billion even though Ronaldo hadn't moved a Ford from his press conference, although that would be pretty impressive. On June 14th, Coca-Cola had become ex-dividend, which means that it is trading without the value of the next dividend payment built in, which also usually means the price of the shares will drop. By 9:40 AM, 3 minutes before the Cristiano Ronaldo press conference incident, Coca-Cola shares had dropped from $56.16 to $55.26, a drop of 1.6% or $4 billion in market value. However, the biggest kicker to all this, as I mentioned before, is that by the end of the day, the stock price had actually gone up 30 cents from the time of Cristiano Ronaldo's press conference incident. This story has been widely reported everywhere, and it was objectively false, which is pretty scary. However, fake stories like this have real-world consequences, and the price of Coca-Cola shares have dropped since the reporting of the story. It's hard to know what impact the story had over time as opposed to other factors such as the market, but the share price did drop in the following days. So did this become a self-fulfilling prophecy? If so, it also opens up the possibility in future for someone with malicious intent to falsely link multiple events that are unrelated and influence markets. Or Elon Musk can just crash an entire market with a single tweet. What do you think about this? Would you drink Coke or water based on what Cristiano Ronaldo does in a press conference? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, chuck me a like and subscribe to see more like it, and as always, good luck. And for me, I'm drinking coffee.